All right, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace a sway bar length. This is what it's called. This is what they told me it's called, a sway bar length. And also I will, while we there, and I will also show you how to remove the control arms and the bushing if that's what you're looking for. But the purpose of this video is for me to replace this on a Honda Accord. That's a 2005 Honda Accord. It's the same process on the other side. So if one removes this bar length, a stray bar length on the left side, you must replace the right side as well, unless if the right side is super fine. But it is recommended that you do both at the same time. I've already loosened up these here. Okay, and so for the tire, if you need this Honda Accord, it is 85 foot-pounds when you're putting the tires back on, and to tighten these wheel nuts, it's 85 foot-pounds to do it. Okay, what you're looking at is the stabilizer bar. Okay, and I'm replacing the link, the stabilizer bar link, this one here. As you can see here, it's all cracked. Okay, there's not much in there. It's supposed to have grease in there, but it's all gone. If there were grease, it's all gone. Okay, and you can see that part also, it's all torn. So there are two of them. There's one here, this one here on the left side, and then on the right side there's one. So I'm going to replace both of them. So this way I will show you how to do it. And this is down here is the control arm. That's a big job. I can do this myself. It looks like it also need to be replaced, but that would be for another video. Okay, that's another video. Now, since it's never been replaced before, I'm going to use, I have to use this lubricant here. Any type of lubricant you have, but this is what I have right now. So I will use it to loosen up the bolt. Again, this is the replacement part. It comes with the bolt, with its own bolt. Okay, so you don't have to use the bolt that came out of the vehicle. And just in case you're wondering how tight to tighten the bolt, it is only 16 foot-pounds, 16 pounds a foot or feet or whatever. Yeah, so it's not too tight. Okay, when you are putting it back on. So again, when you're putting this in, you'll find that it may not fit in directly like this, but again, this part gives you the flexibility to move this around to make it go straight in the hole. Okay. All right, let me show you how I'm getting it inside. All right, so this is it, and then this is how it goes. So this is the bottom part. Put it here, and then the top. See, let me show you. Okay, you see here, you have the flexibility to move it around. So that's how I'm able to put it in, and voila. It is, see now it's in, and all I have to do is just put the screws. I mean bolt. Okay, bolt here, and that's how it was. This part here was on top. When I removed the other one, it was facing this direction. You just have to put the bolt, and it is a 16 foot pound, 15 pound a foot, whatever. Okay, or just tie it until it is hard enough, so you won't break the break the threads. Now here's another trick I learned. Now it's better because you see here there was nothing. There's nothing. There's not much to hold it because this whole thing turns. So with this new one, so I was able to use this plier or wrench here, and so okay, and like this, you should hold it down, and then I was able to tie it. Okay, because at some point when you try to tie this one really hard, this whole thing turns, so you need something to hold it. So that's what I did here. So this one will be put on the other side. And again, as usual, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I'm done. It's 85 foot pounds. 80. Sorry, I said 85, but it's 80. I checked the book. It's 80. You hear the click, you stop. Yes, 85 foot pound. All right. Thank you.